Hi everyone! Welcome to Christmas Eve. It is the 23rd of December and day 23 of the Advent calendar. I hope you're all very well. I'm beaming like a Cheshire cat because I'm wearing my favourite dress of all time that I've ever made. I love it so much. This is the second part of the dress that I made for the Dressmakers Ball. The first was featured yesterday. If you haven't seen that one, go and have a look. This is made from an embroidered silk that I bought in Thailand. I did a whole video of all the fabrics that I brought back from Bangkok when I was there, which I shall link to now so you can have a look at those if you want to. It's a little bit of a feast for the eyes in terms of silk. It is just the most beautiful fabric. It's all the colours that I love wearing. It's this sort of gorgeous goldy mustard colour. It's embroidered with these beautiful flowers and little seed heads and all sorts of things. It behaves itself impeccably well and I just love it. And I designed this dress very specifically for this fabric. So I knew that I wanted something incredibly simple because I didn't want to mess with the print or the embroidery in any way. And because the embroidery is very heavy and quite thick in places, you can't really do too much with it because if you put pleats or anything in it, the likelihood is they'll never really sit very flat. So I just went super simple, boat neck. It's only got French darts. I took out the fisheye darts for this one. A sort of 3/4 length sleeve that has a slight angle on it so it finishes shorter at this end and longer at the outside, which I really like. It's got a set-in zip at the back, but it's not lapped, I don't think. Did I lap the zip on this one? No, it's just a traditional slotted zip at the back. Finishes just below the knee, my favourite length. Penciled in. And the raw edges are just finished with a really, really, really narrow zigzag because I didn't want to do anything to sort of turn the edges or anything. So it's got a slightly unconventional finish on it because of that. I still have the pattern because I was looking through all of my patterns as I was organising this and found the pattern. I knew I wouldn't have thrown it away. I don't do that, but I wasn't entirely sure where it was. And I've got, so up here, this is a green wool crepe that I've had for absolutely ages that I bought, I think, from the Gold Hawk Road. And I want to make another sort of couture finish dress in a plain, like this exact cut, but lined, and so I can wear it for work and other stuff because I would just wear it all the time. I know I would, and hopefully I would make a ton more. Frankly, I would probably just make this dress in 17 colours and wear it forever. Maybe not when running around the park, but for, you know, work occasions. Anyway, yes, so that's the dress. I made a video about the making of this dress as well, which I shall link to now. So if you want to go and look at that in a bit more detail and kind of sit in a little swoon-worthy pile of deliciousness, then please do that too. Joke for today. Again, maybe UK focused a little, but we'll go with it anyway. Why do you never see Santa Claus in hospital? He has private elf care. I'm really sorry. I should have put that one in the beginning because, you know, it's not good. But anyway, there we are. Your penultimate Advent tip is coming up now. I hope you find it useful and enjoy it. I will see you tomorrow for the final day, day 24 of the Advent calendar. Bye-bye. Today's tip was submitted by Hopperheave Daho, most amazing name ever, and frankly blew my tiny mind. She says she marks her fabric with soap. So I ran upstairs to my bathroom, got this piece of soap which I knew was about to run out because I've been looking at it for the last 2 weeks thinking really should put a new bar of soap in this bathroom. But it means that it's got to that lovely stage where the edges are really thin. And look, it just marks fabric beautifully. And of course, as soon as you put it in the wash, it comes straight out. How? And how did I not know this? This is a wonderful tip. Thank you. Thank you very much.